In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate and use some features of Surveymonkey, one of the most popular survey platforms available. Whether you're looking to gather feedback, conduct research, or simply engage with your audience in a more meaningful way, Surveymonkey presents a versatile option to help you achieve these aims. Now let's dive into the step-by-step process to get started. First, open your preferred web browser and head over to Google. Once there, all you need to do is type Surveymonkey into the search bar. Hitting enter will bring up a list of results. Now look for the link that says Surveymonkey, the world's most popular survey platform, and go ahead and click on it. This will take you directly to the Surveymonkey homepage where you'll see options to log in or explore the platform's features. Click on the login button if you already have an account or wish to create one, which is a necessary step to start using their services. With your login credentials set, your focus shifts to creating a new survey. To do that, click on the Create Survey button, which you'll find at the top of the homepage. For those who might feel overwhelmed by starting a survey from scratch, select Pick a Popular Template. It's a smart way to streamline the process as these templates are purpose-built for various needs. Among the offerings, the Customer Satisfaction template is often a popular choice, providing a solid starting point for gathering valuable feedback from respondents. Once you've selected the template, click on Use this template to begin customizing it for your requirements. This action will transition you into the Surveymonkey design tool, where customization truly comes to life. The options available are quite intuitive. For instance, by clicking on Options, you can fine-tune questions and adjust settings to suit your survey's intent. Next, move on by selecting the Customer Satisfaction template once again if you wish to delve into more specific edits or tweaks. Now, let's talk about formatting. When you're entering text, consider how you choose to align it. You may click on Left Aligned or Center, depending on your aesthetic preferences and how you want your survey to appear. Formatting might seem trivial, but it is essential in creating a survey that's both user-friendly and visually appealing. Once you've finalized your changes and are satisfied with how everything looks, don't forget the last and perhaps most crucial step. Click on Save. This action ensures that all of your hard work and configuration efforts are stored and ready for your audience to interact with. As you create your page title and finalize your survey, remember to review each element by clicking the Save option frequently. Your well-crafted survey is almost ready for distribution. By engaging with these steps, you're set to harness the full potential of Surveymonkey's survey creation tools. Thank you for joining me on this walkthrough, and happy surveying!